Hey, how you doing? Justin here. Welcome to Essential Blues Lead Guitar, the very first module in my Blues Lead Guitar series. It's going to be loads of fun. If you've never improvised before, this is a great starting point. We're going to check out all of the scales, all of the techniques, all the tools that you need to make a confident blues solo. The blues is a language, and that's exactly how we're going to learn it. We're going to learn, first of all, the alphabet, which is scales. Then we're going to learn words, which are licks. We're going to put those licks together into phrases, which would be like sentences, and eventually put all that together into poetry or blues solos. Now we're going to do it in a very logical order. We're going to start off by learning the minor pentatonic pattern 1 and licks from that pattern and how to put them together to make up a solo. So you're going to be talking right away. When you're confident with that, we learn pattern 2 and some more licks. Then we check out the blues scale and some more licks. We learn about joining those patterns together. And of course, we're going to check out all of the essential blues techniques as well, like string bending, vibrato, and blues curls. It's a really, really fun course. I know you're going to love it. So let's get stuck in.